Point four, using percentage. So basically, um, when we last time we introduced the percent equations, we're gonna actually see a lot of those today. But we just call them a different name rather than call them part, percent, and the whole, based on the application. Okay, we'll just change the name a little bit. So the first thing I want to show you here is the discount and sale price. So let's take a look at some of these wording real quick before we jump into the problem. So as you can recall, discount is the difference between the original price and the sale price. That means original price that was on the tag. Sale price is what they're going to sell for. So the difference between those is going to be the discount. The so discount is the money you're not going to pay. So sale price is original price minus a discount. That's the price that they are charging you now after the discount. All right, rate of discount is basically the percent of discount. Okay, I don't call the rate of discount, I call them percent of discount. So if I want to find the amount of discount, okay, there are different ways we can figure this out. One of them is take the original price times by the rate of discount or the percent of discount. All right, or we can do amount of discount by taking the original price minus the sale price. So two different ways to find the actual amount of discount. So that's spelled around amount of discount. All right, sale price, original price minus a discount. Okay, just like what it says above it. All right, sale tax. Okay, sale tax is a tax based on the selling price. Okay, so basically, the more we buy, generally, the more we buy, the more sales tax we had to pay. And of course, we have the rate of sales tax. All right. So let's take a look. So to figure out the amount of the tax, which is part of what we purchase, okay, or part of what they are selling or what we are buying, times the rate of your sales tax. Okay, that will give us the amount of sales tax. Total purchase price is going to be whatever I'm purchasing or whatever they are selling to me, plus the amount of sales tax. That will give me the total amount. All right, so let's take a look at this. I did try to group these problems together a little bit, the best I can. So let's start out something easy, okay? Your dinner bill was $12. If you leave a 20% tip, how much will the tip be? So the tip is the amount of tip in terms of dollar amount, okay, is based on your bill, which is the whole thing you eat, put in your stomach, times by the percent of tip. So normally people paid about 15%, okay? This example is 20%. So remember now, the amount of tip is a part. Part equal to percent times the whole, all right? So same idea using those percent equation. So let's see, $12, all right, times the rate of tip is 0.2. So if I put that in my calculator, my tip is going to be $2.40. All right, that's all it is to it. Now, this one is a little bit different. The bill for the dinner was $69.19. You left $15.81 for the tip. What percentage of the original bill was the tip? So this time I need to find the percent of the tip I left, okay? So round your answer to the nearest whole percent. So as you can recall, when we find percent before, all right, percent is a part. So this time I want to find a percent of the tip. So that means my part got to representing the tip. All right, so my amount of tip is $15.81. Always freezing up. All right, my tip, $15.81. divided by my whole bill, $69.19. All right, so once I divide, in order to find percentage, I got to times 100. All right, let's see what they're gonna be. 15.81 divided by 69. 0.19. All right, times 100. Then we're going to round to the nearest percent, which is about 23% tip. So we left about 23% tip. Let's try a different kind of problem. Let's go back to the discount and sell price. All right, here this problem says a new Blu-ray player costs $136.09 in the store. What will be your total cost if the sales tax is 4.5%? So this problem is asking for total cost. So there's two ways we can go about doing this, okay? I'm going to show you a quick way. $136.99. In order to buy the Blu-rays, you got to pay 100% of that. In addition, you also got to pay your sales tax, which is additional 4.5%. So that means I will basically end up paying 104.5% of what I'm purchasing, 136. Let me be calibrated, I guess. $136.99. All right, so this is just one way to do it, okay? This is one quick way to do it. And this is actually something we do all the time, very common. So we're basically going to take $136.99 $136.99 times 104.5%. If I move my decimal to the left two places to make it into a decimal notation, that would be 1.045. All right, so that will give me my total amount. I round to near cents, so that would be $143.15. $143.15. Okay. All right. So now normally what people do, that's one way to do it. Okay. So that's my answer. Another way to do this is basically take the $136.99 times the sales tax, which is 0.045, right? 4.5%, move the decimal to the left two places, is 0.045. So that will actually tells me what is my tax, my sales taxes. Remember now, sales tax is the rate of tax times what I'm purchasing. And then once I find my sales tax, times 0.045. Once I find my sales tax, which is $6.16, then I'm going to add that back to the $136.99. $6.19, right? 16 cents. So now my total amount It's going to be 136.99 plus my $6.16. There you go, 143.15. Give me the same answer. So what's the difference? Well, the difference is here, I'm actually, the way we normally go about doing it is we are adding the actual dollar amount. Up here, I'm actually doing exactly the same thing. I'm actually adding the percentage first, okay? And then I do my multiplication, okay? So the normal way is to figure out the sales tax first, okay? Which we multiply the percentage to figure out the sales tax, and we add the money. Okay, the way I'm doing it is exactly the same thing. It seems quicker. It's because I'm adding percentage, which is quicker than adding the actual amounts. All right. So whatever which way you like. Okay, that would you can do it either way. All right, let's try another one. If a laptop computer regularly costs $1,247, is it on sale for $879? What percentage of discount? So this I'm looking for percent of discount. So that means my part got to representing discount. Percent of discount. All right, if I go back to the first page here, I don't have anything on the percent of discount, but we know when we're trying to find percent, it's always part divided by the whole. Except now my part got to actually represent discount. I'm not, so this problem never say I'm getting a discount of $879. The problem just saying it was $12.47, now it's on sale for $8.79. So my actual discount is gonna be $12.47 minus $8.79. $12.47 minus $8.79. So my actual discount is $368. So remember, the part up here got to represent. It got to have the same meaning as the percent you're looking for. Percent of discount. That means my part got to also represent a discount. One is percent. One is in terms of percentage, one is in terms of actual dollar amount. So what do I divide? I divide it by how much it's going to cost me originally, which is $12.47, because that's what the price was from. All right, times 100. So this is a lot. This problem is a lot like finding the percent of increase and the percent of decrease. 368 divided by 1247 times 100. Round to nearest 100 when necessary, so that will be 29.51%. Okay, so that's how much discount I'm getting. Percent of discount. All right, let's try another one. An online company is advertising a microwave oven on sale for 35% off. So I'm getting 35% off the original price of that amount. So what is the sale price now? All right, so what's the sale price now? So let's go back up here. So I'm getting 35% off, so I can figure out the amount of discount, which is take the original price times the rated discount. Then so for my sale price, I'm just gonna subtract from the original price, okay, with my discount. So let's try this way. Okay, let's do the way we normally do it. So that's 242.99. That's the original price. So the amount of discount times by 35% off. So that tell me how much money am I off? 242.99 times by 0.35, which is $8 and probably 5 cents. All right, that's how much money I'm getting off. So my sale price. Now, basically it's the price I'm going to pay, which is $242.99 minus $8.05. So the price I'm going to pay, which is my answer. Oh, I messed up here. 242.99 times 0.35. I knew I was wondering why I was short. $85.05. $85.05. All right, let's subtract. So 242.99 minus $85.05. So now my sale price is $157.94. Okay. All right. So and now this is a very good way to do it. Now another way to do this, it will seem a little bit quicker. But we got to understand what this 35% off means. So 35% off, another way of looking at the same thing, actually means we're going to pay 65%. So this is the same complement rule as I mentioned in the latest lecture video. 35% off means I still got to pay 65% of my original price, $242.99. So what I can do is take $242.99 times by 0.65, 65%, because I'm going to pay 65%. So that got to be my sale price, because sale price here is representing the price I'm going to pay before I got to pay tax. So 242.99 times 0.65. See, same answer, 157.94. Voila. So why is this way seems easier? Because this way I'm actually subtracting the percentage, okay, versus above here I'm actually subtracting the actual amount of money. Okay, that's why it seems a little bit easier. All right, this is a cool question. Indigo Depot is having a clearance sale for their summer item. Assuming suit that originally cost $140 before any discount is now on sale for 20% off. If the swimming suit is then put on clearance for an additional 40% off the sale price, okay, what is the final price? So the problem worded very good. They actually 45% off the sale price. So what does that mean? The sale, because the 140 is actually what? Original cost, okay? Original cost that much. Now it's on discount for 20% off. So once you get 20% off, that will be the sale price. But then they put that sale price and give it another 40% off. So we're not getting 60% off, okay? That's the misunderstanding. You're not actually getting 60% off the 140. You get 20% off first, and whatever that sale price is, you get another 40% off. It does not mean you're getting 60% off. So I'm going to do it this way, okay? 20% off the original price means we will pay 80%, right? That's the complement of 20% off. We will pay 80% of that 140. So that will tell me my sale price after the 20% off, which means I still got to pay 80% of it. So then now this swimming suit is now $139.20. Now this swimming suit is go on clearance again for additional 40% off. So I'm gonna get 40% off again, but this time it's not off the 140, it's 40% off the 139. So that means now I need to pay 60%, the other 60% of the $139. Okay, now I gotta pay 60% of the $139. Ah. Oh, I better stop clicking. It would make me freeze even more. So if you will just write while I'm waiting, if you will just write $139.20 times the 60% you got to pay, completely froze, I think. No, not quite. Let me see what that would be. Let me go ahead and type in the calculator. So that will be 139. I'm gonna pay 60% of that 139. So 139.2 times by the 60% of it. So now my final sale price before tax got to be $83.52. Okay. All right. So that's how these problems work. You're not getting 60% off. You actually get 20% off first of the original price, and then you get additional 40% off of that sale price. All right. So in this lecture video, we just kind of mix problem up. There's a discount problem, sales tax problem, and problem involving with tips. So basically, all these examples we just did, we still basically use those percent equation to help us to solve. Okay, so all this formula is basically working off the those 3% equation. All right, that will conclude this lecture video on discount and sale price. Thank you for watching.